right, so I seen this video where you could restore your headlights. So it's all like faded out. You got clear lens down here. You could feel it on the outside. It's not on the inside. Same thing on this. This is worse. So I saw a video. You can use Colgate with baking soda and peroxide with a toothbrush. That's what I'm gonna try and do. We're gonna see how this works. I'll let you know. I'll try and give you like a full-on tutorial here without turning the camera off, I guess. Show you Colgate, baking soda, and peroxide. We're gonna be real generous. We're gonna put that down. We're gonna bring it over here. We're definitely going to need a lot more. So how about we just throw it on the whole headlight. So I just threw it all up on the headlight there. Should have done that in the first place. Like that. Yeah. All right, so you get the idea. Come back and make another video. Oh, still going at it. I got the entire headlight covered. Colgate, baking soda, and peroxide. I'm gonna throw some water on here. Probably do it with a napkin, and then water, and then napkin. Let's see what happens. I just want to let you know that I just been sitting here doing this for a solid 5 minutes more, and you can feel that crusty shit come off. This is now smooth. There's a little bit of resistance, a little bit of crust, but just sit here and keep doing this. Definitely can feel a difference from first initial application and just continuously scrubbing the shit out of it. We're gonna wipe it down, get it clean. All right, caked on there. I did not apply any water. We're just gonna get all of it off. Not all of it, but most of it. Then we're gonna throw some water on it after we just dump it all on ourselves. So we're gonna throw some water on it like that. Probably should get like a microfiber towel or something. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get a towel. Okay, napkins don't work. We got the brand new handy dandy microfiber. Oh yeah, that does wonders. That is magical. We're just gonna have to continuously just scrub this shit off. I mean, I don't know. I don't think there's a difference. Slight difference? Yeah, there's a little bit of difference. All right, I'll show you the finished product here in a few. There's still some resistance. I think it's on the inside. There's some on the inside, it's gotta be. But there is definitely a huge difference. You can't even see. I don't know. There's some difference. I wouldn't say huge difference. So we're gonna do this side real quick and see what I don't even know, dude. We're gonna do this side real quick, passenger side. Let you know how it goes. Got the passenger side all caked up. I'm gonna take some water to it, wipe it down. Bottle of water, purified, great value drinking water. We're just gonna do something like that. Grab a microfiber. Just get a lot of this off. We're gonna get another thing of water. Wipe it all the way off. All right, so I think the majority is on the inside of the driver's side, and there is still, that's on the outside. You would probably have to put a couple of layers on of the toothpaste and just keep reapplying the application, keep scrubbing it. But with just one quick application and a 5-minute scrub with a toothbrush, there's some difference. That's just hazing right back. I don't know. I don't think it works. It does, but it doesn't. It's on the inside. Okay, I'm done. I ain't sitting out here detailing this shit. I'm out. See you later, kid. Bye.